Bonnie, happy Wednesday! I am back. I am feeling this much better again. Oh my gosh. It's weird how a cold just lingers. Now I have the cough, but I am slowly getting better and I'm enjoying some candles today. I am so excited. So I thought I would do my top recommendations for the $12.95 Bath and Body Works candle sale to burn right now because this is kind of a weird time. We're doing Halloween, we're doing fall, we're doing Christmas, and it's like I know a lot of people don't want to go full on Christmas yet, and there's two different kinds of fall candles. There's early fall, there's late fall. And of course, Halloween's all mixed in there. It's only October 11th. It's so pretty out today, by the way. The sky is beautiful. The leaves are just starting to turn. So it's a really good week to burn some candles. Oh my gosh. So I actually placed an order yesterday, $12.95. Of course, is a really good deal, free shipping with the code TREAT. I did do that. And this morning, I think we had a men's care sale, flash sale. These flash sales are like all over. By the way, I totally blew it yesterday with that lip care. I thought the lip care was going to be like today, but it turned out it was yesterday morning. I don't know. I'm going to blame my illness here for my brain fog, but I hope you got to do the lip care. So anyway, some top recommendations. Mary Cookie. So this candle is very Christmassy. By the way, I love these jars. These jars are so cute. I'm definitely going to want a second set for the holidays. But you know what? Mary Cookie is a candle that I can burn year round. It's one of my favorites from Bath and Body Works. And today, it felt like a Mary Cookie day. So just because this is kind of a Christmas cookie, it's not really. It's like a sugar cookie. I highly recommend getting Mary Cookie today. It is wonderful. So that's kind of one of my top recommendations. Okay, next up, in the same jar, raspberry thumbprint. Don't save this one for Christmas. Trust me, you're going to want to burn this one now. It is so good. It's got the raspberry jam. It is buttery shortbread, rich raspberry jam, sprinkled with powdered sugar. Gosh, this one is amazing and it's perfect for fall. So I know it's got Santa Claus on it. You can turn it around if you don't want to look at Santa yet. But these are two candles I would like full on buy $12.95 and enjoy right now. They're totally worth it. Okay. Warm apple pie. Is this one still available online? I don't know. I'm hoping it is. I didn't even look to see the availability of these, but oh my gosh, warm apple pie. I love this one in the fall. The jar is absolutely beautiful. This is another one of like my big recommendations for now. It smells really strong. Oh my gosh, I love warm apple pie. That's a total win. Hot cocoa and cream. You guys saw it, I'm sure, yesterday. I ordered mine. I usually get 2 or 3 hot cocoa and creams during the holiday season. Burn it now. Get one now. Burn it for Christmas. Hot cocoa and cream is an absolutely must-have candle for fall and Christmas. Okay, what else do we have here? Pistachio toasted vanilla. This candle is fabulous. This one is salted pistachios and toasted vanilla almonds. If you like nuts, if you like the pistachios, you're going to want to get this one. It's wonderful. It's got a little vanilla in there. Perfect for fall. By the way, oh my gosh, I have one of those black walnut trees in my front yard, and it is raining down these giant like green balls all over the place. It just reminded me of the nuts. I'm like, I gotta go clean my porch. Okay, another one. Oh, marshmallow fireside. That's a good one. Did I get that one? It's fun. Why did they put the stocking on that one right now? I mean, turn it around. That's a great one for fall. Okay, got the raspberry thumbprint. Peppermint sugar cookie. I tend to wait on. I'm not ready for peppermint sugar cookie yet. Mary Cookie is a definite win. What else did I pull? Birchwood Orchard. This is a good one. I gotta do a full review on this one. It is wonderful. It is white birch trees, fresh apples, and a hint of clove. It's very folly. Oh my gosh, I love this one. So that's a definite win for now. Leaves. I am so into leaves this year. It's funny because you know me, I was not into leaves like the previous years. Ever since we got the body care, I'm like full on a leaves person. I gotta review this one for this year. Gosh, this smells so good. I am full on leaves right now. If you don't like leaves, I think it's worth trying once. It's a really, really strong Bath and Body Works candle. I think you're gonna love. If you can find freshly brewed coffee, I highly recommend getting this one. I don't think it's online anymore, but it could be in the store. This one is really good. It's just basic coffee. It doesn't have any latte. It doesn't have any like extra stuff. It's funny because my husband is a pure on coffee drinker. He doesn't like anything in his coffee but coffee. A little bit of cream. But he doesn't like any caramel or any weird stuff. It's like, I like just black coffee. But anyway, this is just your average like McDonald's coffee. It's wonderful. Pumpkin apple. Oh my gosh. If you haven't experienced pumpkin apple yet, you got to get pumpkin apple. You guys know one of my favorites. Why did this come back in body care this year? We had the minis last year, which thankfully I have a lot of them. But oh my goodness, that would have really rounded out this year, by the way, if we had gotten pumpkin apple in the full body care. I need that in a shower gel. I don't know why they will not give us pumpkin apple in the full size body care. Okay, so let's see what else is good for right now. Sweet cinnamon pumpkin is pretty good if you're really looking for that like nice clovey cinnamon pumpkin. I highly recommend that one. What else do we have in this sale? I gotta review autumn chai. I totally can't remember that one. I think it's good. I would look at that one. Any of those boozy ones, the prickly pear sangria, smoked caramel mezcal, sweet whiskey, and spiced blackberry cider, not bad. They're just not my thing. Oh, there's cranberry orange seltzer. They get good reviews. I don't know. That's just like not my collection. Again, not bad. Oh, spiced pumpkin patchouli. Oh my goodness. I need a backup of that one. That's a really good one. It's perfect for fall, especially as we're moving into October. Yes, pumpkin pecan waffles is always a win. Let's see here. Oh, apple and charcoal. I reviewed that like way long ago. I want to say in like July. That is a good one. Apple and charcoal. Don't forget about that one. It's funny. I like doing these videos because a lot of times we forget what came out at the beginning of the year. Pumpkin peanut brittle. That's a good one. Let's see. What else do we have? Oh, sprinkled birthday cake's always good. That's on the list. There's a lot of candles right now. I gotta say, how many are in here? 111. All of the white barns. There's something for everyone right now. I feel like we're like spanning 3 seasons, summer, fall, actually 4, Halloween and Christmas. And there's a lot out there. So if you're not really in the mood for Christmas, I totally get that. Like the perfect Christmas, under the Christmas tree, fresh balsam. I'm not even ready for those. Like that's a little too Christmassy. But your hot cocoa and cream, even sugared snickerdoodle, those are ones you might want to consider buying now and enjoying them for fall. And like I said, raspberry thumbprint and Merry Cookie, yeah, treat yourself to some bakery for fall and then get another set for Christmas because these are really good. Anyway, let me know what you're buying for the candle sale. Today only, actually, it wasn't today only. It was yesterday and today. I actually bought them last night. It ends today. That's what I meant to say. Online only. So you can't go in the store. I guess you can do buy online, pick up in store. I never do that. I don't know why. But apparently you can do that. So I don't know. Let me know what you're shopping for today. And I'll see you guys later. Oh, that's salted grapefruit sharp. I can't do those now. No, I am in a fall Christmassy mood. That's a no. Oh, Harvest Gathering. Don't forget about that one with the gold lid. I keep seeing them. Anyway, I will see you guys later. Bye-bye.